two ways to approach in an acting workshop. You rehearse it and you work the scene out with each other and then you present it. Or you don't rehearse it, but you do all of the work for your character and then get together with the other character in the scene and find out what you have to do. It promotes a couple of things. First of all, listening. If you want to learn how to listen, don't know what the other person is going to do. And that's one way to listen. If you want to know what the other person is saying, you have to listen to him. The other thing it does is it gives you a license, or it allows you in the scene to follow your instincts because you haven't agreed on anything. And the other thing is sometimes when two actors rehearse a scene, one or the other becomes the director and oftentimes directs so that they look better or that the other person looks better if they feel that they are not as good. So when two people come and they haven't prepared, you have to listen and you have to go for it, and it should be two people taking stage. I think when you go to an audition, I don't think that everybody sits around with each other and reads how they're going to approach it and what they're going to do. They kind of go in and you make nice outside, and then when you go in, you do your thing, and it can be entirely different than what you told the person, so you don't know. And I think it makes you more alive, it makes you more in the moment.